Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to remove and install the air filter on this brand here. I don't know if Fulminare or Fulminare, I'm not sure, but I'm going to show how to remove and install the air filter on this air purifier. So before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you've read through all the paperwork that came with your air purifier before you try this. Okay, so I have the air purifier turned off and unplugged. And you want to make sure that your air purifier is both turned off and unplugged. And I'm just going to turn the air purifier upside down here. Okay, so if we look at the bottom lid, there's an arrow that's matched up with this lock icon. And I need to move that over so both of the arrows are matched up. So I'm going to do that now. Just like that. And then I can just gently lift off the bottom lid. Okay, now I'm just going to gently lift the air filter out of the air purifier like so. This is what the air filter looks like. Okay, so this air filter is still, I haven't used it yet, so I'm just going to put it back into the air filter. And this is where you would put your new air filter in. So I'm just lining this up and then gently setting it down into the air filter. And you just want to make sure that it's seated in there properly. That's what it looks like from this angle. Okay, I'm just going to match up this arrow on the bottom lid with this arrow right here. And I'm just matching those up and then gently setting the bottom lid down. And the bottom lid should be sitting flush with the air purifier like this. And then I'm just going to turn this, the bottom lid, this direction until the arrow is matched up with the lock icon. And you just want to make sure that it's secured all the way into place. And then I'm just going to turn the air purifier over and gently set it back down. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.